Let's talk about the digital material function. This function is a random blend of up to 7 materials. We can add more materials and change the ratios between them. If we create a mixture we prefer, we can save it as a custom material. Give it a name and a swatch color, and then use it in different material structure. For example, in Perlin, we can select base materials or one of the custom materials that were previously saved. This function also includes the noise modulation option, producing a gradient transition between materials. We can include additional steps along the way. And even add more materials to the mixture. This function is used when we need to create subcutaneous fat, for example, by forming a mixture of gel and tissue with a coating of a more stable agilis.